Learn. Like 2. Learn. With the burpee core again, the core again engage as well. Like 3. 4.
Do as you
Like
can
1.
do. 1 rep.
2. Keep it nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Oh, you get so light back at it again, we just do it. Or the shoulder cue, or to hit a serious full body workout. The routine we'll be doing today is called a power clean workout. If you don't know what power clean is, it's a workout you see a lot in the CrossFit department. It's basically simple. So this is a demonstration with just the bar alone. You're going over, like you're about to do a deadlift, you do a deadlift thing and you lift like that. But instead of saying so, you're going all the way up to your shoulders. So you do like this. All the way up here. Down, all the way up here. But the thing is, when you reach up here, you ain't standing up straight. To push on the weights, you're bending your knees to make yourself more comfortable and to push on the weight throughout your whole body. So you do like this. So, a slide up. Down, a slide up. So the same deadlift position, you over, back straight, knee bend, everything. Up, push on, up, push on. So when you get that, then ready for the routine. We'll be hitting a full routine, 4 sets of 5. Each different set will be hitting a different body part with the power clean. So let's get one time. First set, we just do the power clean. Just so, with the weight, so first set is the warm. We're going to 5.
5.
Let's go.
1.
Back down. 2. Down. 3. 4. 4.
5.
Easy like that. Here we go. 5 now. 1, good form. 2, good form, you want to go solo. 3, right. Let's feel your tucking and comforting your weight. 4, learn. 5, let go. Learn. So you see with this routine, it opens up possibilities to add a lot of things to it to make it more difficult, more better. So for the next 5, we'll be doing a burpee on every rep. So it's gonna look like this. Go down, up. Ready, 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Go. You just strain. Nice. 1. Learn. Like 2. Learn. With the burpee core again, the core again engage as well. Like 3. 4. 1. Like 5. Go. Learn, we're on the next set. And you know we do skip legs, so we cooperating legs on it. And if you're paying attention, you don't realize which part the legs coming in. When you go to when you bring it up, you go to comfort the weight, you're going straight down on the squat and come back down. All the way you have to go as low as you could possibly go. So it will look like this. Now, no burpee now, no burpee. Right, you just start it straight with the thing. There you go.
Low as you could
One.
go. 1 rep.
2. Keep it nice and smooth. 3. Nice and smooth. 4. 5. You go. Make sure now your core engaged so you can keep a good balance when you're going down. You won't find yourself tilting back or tilting forward. So nice core engagement. Good balance, foot plant on the ground. Well done. 1, 2. Well done. 3. No excuse. 4. 1 pull and 2 break. And watch how we getting it. 5. Let go. And no excuse with. So simple we getting it. So we going into the shoulders now. When we bring it up, we get the cushion coming up on our shoulder press. Nice and smooth, nice and easy. Full body workout. You don't need a gym for this full body workout. Oh, but I keep going down on the burpees. There you go, straight on the shoulder press. Now when you're thirsty for the gains and things that's happen. Right there. Like 1. Like 2. 3. 4. Let's go. 5. Like 5. Nice and easy. Like 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. We go. Have a bonus rep away. Bonus routine. So like I say, you want to get in the same workout, everything we now do here, but you want to do it faster because you press the time. So you are paying a quick one. Simple way to do that is paying everything we now do in 1 set. The burpees, the squat, the shoulder press, the power clean in 1 set. So this is how it will look. The burpee, go down, come up, down on the squat,
Up and
like 1. Like 2.
2.
Like 3. You know what to get that taking a lot more energy to make sure you get your breathing right. Like 4.
4. 5.
5. Go. Put it all together, taking a lot more energy. So we'll be burning a lot more calories as well. So that is a plus. 1. Well done. 1. Well done. Full body. Shoulders, biceps, triceps, back, chest. Everything getting hit in 1 single motion. Like 2. Come on. Well done. Like 3. So we train full body. 1 pull and 2 break. No excuse. None. Like 4. 1. What no excuse look like. Like 5, there we go. Hope you enjoy the routine, hope you learn something, you know, keep supporting your boys. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We go until next time.
We out.